In this GAT flow video, we'll be showing you how to remove one or multiple users' email filters in bulk. No matter what filters are set, they will all be removed from the accounts that you select when the workflow has run. To begin, first open the GAT flow tool and make sure to be in the Create Workflow area. Now enter a name and description for your workflow. Next, select the Modify Workflow type. You can schedule your workflow by unchecking the Run Immediately After switch. I'll leave it as is. Click Next. Now select the users that you want to remove the email filters for. You can also select a group or OU and even import users from a spreadsheet. Once you have your users selected, click Proceed to Actions. Now select Add an Action. From the list, find Clear User Email Filters and select it. Once that's been added, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock Security Officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, your workflow will run, and as a result, the users will have their filters removed from their accounts. That covers this how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.